welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll talk about some extension. These are necessary for a developer, and these are all AI extension. So let's talk about at first GitHub Copilot. So if you want to download extension, you have to actually go for this option extension, and here you just have to search for the extension. And let's say I will actually go for the GitHub Copilot. And if you search here, you will find this GitHub Copilot. I have already installed it, and you will find something like this. Click here install, and you can see installing. When it will be installed, you just have to log into the GitHub Copilot. And here you can see we have option here, and so you just have to actually log in. Okay, you will find here sign in option. So just click here sign in, and then sign in through your GitHub account. Okay. So that's it, guys. Now let's go for the next extension, and that is called Tabnine AI. So this is also necessary for developer. I mean, you can actually apply it for any code, any programming language. Let's say Python. Let's say PHP server-side scripting language, right? So go with the Tabnine AI. Just install it, and then you have the option for the sign up. You will find, and then you have 3 options. I mean, you can go with the premium also, and you can use the basic also. If you want to use basic, you can say I have here Tabnine basic. So to the basic, basically you can actually create a I mean, you can also get the valuable output, I mean, from Tabnine. Okay, so it's not necessary that you have to go with the premium one. And after that, we have here Code GPT. If you type Code GPT, here you can see we have Code GPT. Now if you want to install it, you can actually install it, and you can see the overview. Okay, here you can see. So these are the 3 free, of course, free extension, AI extension for the user. I mean, if you are a developer, you can actually use them. These are I mean, you can actually use them for free also, and it has also the premium option. You may go with them. But if you don't want to spend money and you want to actually use them, you can actually use them. These are also free. I mean, if you want to use the free version, you can actually use it. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching.